Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the hardware and software. First, update to the latest iOS so Face ID has current fixes and algorithms. Once done, physically clean the true depth camera and remove any screen protector or case that can block the sensor. That's a common cause. Restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches, then open Settings Face ID and passcode so you can check status and start the re-enrollment process. These steps reduce basic failures before deeper fixes. You should now reset and re-enroll Face ID to remove corrupted data. Tap Reset Face ID, then choose Set up Face ID and follow prompts. Position your face about 10 to 20 inches from the true depth camera and keep your eyes open. During enrollment, move your head slowly in a full circle so the system captures different angles. Make sure lighting is even and avoid backlight. Remove sunglasses or anything that conceals facial features. This teaches Face ID how you look across conditions. You finish by validating the setup across practical tasks. Test unlocking, app sign-ins, and Apple Pay to confirm consistency. If a specific app fails, toggle Face ID access for that app. Make sure attention-aware features are enabled so the sensor checks your attention for security. If problems persist after re-enrollment, try Reset All Settings to restore sensor configurations without erasing data. And as a last resort, contact Apple support or visit a service provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.